I don't know that when you go to your refrigerator, you get more. I like this. Yes.
I mean,
Think about it.
okay, because I'm.
Write it down and then give me a note how to do.
Because I like to say Jello, yogurt.
Don't keep.
I know, but that's that. And Jello, like I said, Jello.
I know you like the food cups and stuff, okay?
Right.
I'm not talking about.
I probably gotta think on it then, Mom. Yeah.
You got to jot down some stuff like whenever I go food shopping, I can just choose.
Right. So I'm definitely gonna think on it.
Sit back and think on it. And there's certain things that you like to eat for dinner that you can just take and eat it, and you don't have to worry about whatever.
I know those noodles, those type of noodles that
I know that you use that for why.
is teriyaki, right?
Yeah, teriyaki. I know that part now.
Right.
You got to repeat that to me.
Because I'm not hard to really.
I know that I said when you open up the refrigerator, your eyes, think about it.
You know I am.
And don't repeat the same things I read.
Like, don't repeat. Don't repeat, right? And I'm a old man now.
You working an old man now.
Mm.
You like one of them old pictures I had looking at when I was looking at the nursing home.
At Press Material.
Yeah, you remind me of that instead of you born to be like that, trying to get that way. You done got that way.
Yeah,
You gonna be taking care of me.
Yeah, because you're not really seen now.
No, I'm not, but you see eyes for real.
Is that so? Now take a look and tell me what you think about this.
Yeah, see, that's how it's supposed to look. Nice and clean.
Uh-huh.
Is that mayonnaise healthy?
It's like probably like 92% empty.
Well, why would you hold on to that part?
92%, so there's still some in there.
Well, why don't you use it, get rid of it, and you use it?
I'm not using it right now, ma.
Well, before, because that did get right there. I'm just saying, get rid of your old stuff that you're not using. That's what make your stuff
So throw it in the trash?
Good, it don't even look fresh. That don't even look fresh to me.
All right, so I'm gonna throw that out there.
Throw it out, I mean, because you keep stuff for months and months and months. I would never know.
And then this
Then
other,
you worry about why your stomach hurts.
this bago I'll toss out too.
Yeah, well, you throw them out. You the one that's in there.
Okay, that's all, ma. I'm done.
Okay.